welcome back to Embers and Ash. My name's Ashley, if you didn't know, and today I did this really fun macrame tutorial for you all. It is this beautiful macrame mirror, which I'm just like in love with right now, and I thought it would be so cute in the nursery or the baby's room. The macrame itself was really straightforward and easy, and I bought just a cheapo mirror on Amazon that I'll link for you guys. So if you're interested on how to make it, just keep watching. Okay guys, so to start, you're gonna need a mirror. This one is just a cheapo guy from Amazon. I will link it down below. It's 10 inches, I'm pretty sure. I'll double check that. And then just some macrame cord, which I will also link down below. So the first step is measuring out the circumference. That's something I learned in math, right? The circumference of the mirror, which is about this big. And then I'm gonna add another like 2 feet on it, just so I can make sure I have enough extra material to incorporate this into the pattern around the edge. Now at about 1 foot in, I'm gonna make a slip knot and run the other end of the cord through it. And measure up to the same length and tighten it. So now we have our circle and a little tail on the end. Okay, now we want to add the rest of our strings around the whole circle. So we're going to grab about 2 feet long pieces of rope and do a lark's head knot. Okay, and I'm going to do this around the whole entire ring. Okay, so I'm finished filling up the ring. Now I'm gonna separate them into sections. I want roughly I'm thinking like 10 groups to make little triangles. So I'm just gonna evenly separate it all. Okay, so I separated it into 10 sections, each with 7 lark head knots. Now I'm going to take one section and I'm going to make a triangle shape using half hitch knots. So I'm going to take one lark head knot at a time, put the leading line behind the first line, flip it over, and run it through the loop you just made. And you do that twice with each rope. And now I'm going to do the same thing but the opposite direction this way. Okay, little triangle is complete. And we're actually going to do that a second time. Just make a second row right behind this first row, just to make this a bolder triangle. Most beautiful little triangle I've ever seen. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to the rest of the ring. Okay, all the triangles are completed. They look very beautiful, I must say. The only issue though is that they are kind of separated, so I'd like to tie them together in a fun little way, just so that they stay together. So to do this, I'm gonna take 2 strings from each side of the triangle, and I'm gonna pick the longest string and wrap it around the rest of the strings 3 times. And then I'm gonna flip it over and just tie that string off with another one and hide that in the back. Ta-da! That's it. So I'm gonna do that for each triangle. Okay, we got all our little knots all done up. Now we're going to cut these fringes off, and ideally we're gonna keep it in that kind of triangular shape for each triangle. Ooh, it's starting to look so good. Okay, now one of the last steps is to take just like a comb, and I'm going to brush out these ends to make them all fringy. Okay, Okay, sorry for this ray of light that is now on the table. Can't do much about that. But yeah, I got it all brushed out and it is looking so good. And now for the best part, we are going to be attaching this to the mirror. So to do this, I'm basically literally just gonna glue it on because I feel like that's gonna be the best method with hot glue. So yeah, again, this is the finished product. Super freaking cute. I can't handle it. It is so cute. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you liked it, you might like my video where I made a macrame pillowcase cover, pillow cover. You know what that is? Again, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.